Use tools to remove the waterproof rubber plug. Unscrew the first screws above the cover plate, and then remove the first screws below the cover. After opening the cover, disassemble the connecting wires in the order of high to low. Disassemble the positive battery connection line. Use acetate tape or electrical tape to isolate the positive metal sheet, to avoid short circuit caused by contact between poles. Disassemble the high voltage test line and the low voltage test line. Disassemble the negative battery connection cable. Use acetic acid tape or electrical tape to isolate the negative metal sheet. When installing, follow the order of low voltage first, and then high voltage in the reverse order. Tear off the tape and install the negative pole. After installing the battery low torture testing line, install the battery high voltage testing line. Tear off the tape and install the positive wire. Long press and then short press. Test whether the battery cover is powered on. After confirming the power, long press and short press to turn off the power. Screw in the first screws above the cover. Finally, align the limit slot and install the rubber plug.